Vauxhall Mokka E. How unreal is this inside? We've got DEC-SPEC dashcams to fit, hardwire kit as well. This is a front and rear. Comes with an SD card, or the plug for the 12-volt socket. The wiring leading from front to rear, USB so you can plug it into your laptop. The mount for the front of your windscreen and the dashcam. In the hardwire kit you get the voltage reducer, the wiring, and you get the piggyback fuses and a ferrite connector that stops signal interruption. A quick spy under here shows there's a fuse boxes under there. So I'll be removing this panel. That's the panel off. This panel comes off easy as well. We need to find a fuse which is switched ignition line, so I'm just going to get my crocodile clip, if you watch here, and go to an earth, which is a bare metal part of the chassis, so we'll go to that bolt there. Then I have the test light. We'll go to this fuse here, and you see the test light lights up, ignition off, and it turns off. The piggyback fuses come with these connectors on, the bullet connectors, they're terrible. So we'll snip them off, get a connector. So red tin one, make sure it's in without pulling any strands back. Get your crimpers on, crimp that up. Nice secure connection. To the hardwire kit as well, you've got the bullet connector on and one of these for the earth. These are crap too, you need a ring terminal so the earth can't fall off. So we'll just get rid of that and that one. And we'll get ready to put some new ones on. Strip that cable back and that one. Ready for the new terminals. So company box here, we need to get a ring terminal, which we've got loads. Use that one, it's more suitable. I'm going to take these and fit them in the car now. I'm going to put a heat shrink over that wire. I'm going to get the piggyback connector, slide it in through there. I'm going to crimp that down. Another long crimp on. Nice. We'll heat shrink this down here. Once we've shrunk that down, put a heat shrink over the top of it, and then we can shrink that down also. That's the live finish there, it's perfect. We'll come into the fuse box, we'll pinch that fuse. To the piggyback fuse, we can put the original fuse on the inner side, and the fuse which is already in is for the dash cam. It's a 2-amp fuse, so we'll get that put in. And then the piggyback fuse holder just needs to go back into its slot. So that's the live in and took care of. I'll wrap the wires up and tape them, so I don't have to deal with the live now. That's the fork connector change for a circular terminal. The earth I used before is just a bolt here. We don't need to modify this, we can just stick this over the top. And then I've just put a bolt over the top, a nut sorry, and then it's off. All secured in there in case I ever need to move it to another vehicle. And the wire back to the dashcam wiring. Obviously the hardwire kit's in. The wires which are spare, which lead to the front camera, are tied onto here so they're not traipsing about, and the camera's in there. We've got the one wire which obviously leads here, and that is for the reverse, the rear camera. We just need to route that through now. We've got the wiring up through here, through the boot, up into there. So we've got the reverse camera to plug in now. So that's the front of your rear dash cam showing. You've got the wires going straight up into the headline and round. You can't even tell I've been here, and that's the whole point of me coming out, to look at factory repair or fix, and that's it all in. Then you've got the rear camera right in the sweep, so if nice and clean, and obviously no wire shown, you can't tell I've been here. And you've got a little wire coming out there, you can pull it out, there's a bit more length if you want to adjust it, but that's it done.